All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today, Chef Dom is going to show you a whole new chicken wing experience. He came up with this recipe at home and he swears by it. I haven't tasted it yet, so it's a whole new experience for me as well. I'll let you know if it's good or not, for sure. But it smells unbelievable.
It's a little twist of Italian and Mexican food, Mexican together.
Infusion.
Yeah.
All right.
Italian and Mexican infusion.
That's
Yes.
it. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, we're gonna season our chicken wings. We're gonna put them in a bowl and then just put everything in there. We're gonna mix them up. We got some salt, some pepper. We got some onion powder, some garlic powder. Wings here. All right.
Real simple spices, huh?
Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna spritz just a little oil on here to get them started.
Oh yeah. A olive oil.
Never hurt anybody. On the middle rack. Yeah, we'll check those in about 20 minutes or so. All right, we're gonna make our chipotle and marinara sauce to go with our chicken wings.
Nice.
I came up with this just by, I did chicken wings for lunch last week and spaghetti, and I had some sauce left over. And then I had some chicken wings still that I only had about 5 or 6 chicken wings. And then the rest I threw in a pan, which had a little bit of sauce, and I wanted it spicy. So I had chipotle peppers. If anybody don't know what the chipotle pepper is, it's a red smoked jalapeno. And it was unbelievable. I put them two together, threw the wings in there, mixed them up in a frying pan, and threw them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. They were unbelievable. Some fresh garlic. This is going to be really good. Okay. All right, we're going to put some oil in here. Fry up this garlic a little bit. In case you guys haven't figured out yet, that I love black pepper. I think you guys already know that. Little dry basil.
Smell that garlic.
Smell that? How beautiful.
Tomato.
Crushing the tomatoes, keeping this off the off the heat so it doesn't burn the garlic. I should have done that first. That's all right. And yes, I did wash my hands after touching that chicken, guys, so don't freak out. We're eating it anyway. All right, this is ready for the... salt.
How long are you gonna let that cook for?
Maybe 20 minutes. Don't take long.
All right, look at this beautiful sauce. All right, while that sauce is cooking, I want to give a plug to a friend of mine whose brother-in-law has a coffee company. It's called the Morning Medic. And based on my discussion with those guys, they said that this has got all kinds of vitamins that really help old people like me and Dom without
Speak for
memory.
yourself, man.
But anyway,
Yeah,
they
sure.
did a lot of experimenting on not sacrificing that coffee taste. And I'll tell you what, I had a cup a little while ago, and it is absolutely
Yeah, you're going to have to try it.
Yeah, it's really, really good. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to have a link in the description where you can look up some more information about it. And then also, if you leave a comment, we're going to go ahead and enter you in the drawing. And we're going to pick 5 winners to win this coffee. I want you to check it out. All right. Thanks for listening.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and add this chipotle pepper to the sauce, and I want to try to get some of the sauce in there. Some extra chipotles too.
Oh yeah.
But
Is this going to be hot?
it should be. If not, you could always, like I do. If I was making this at home for myself
No.
and Deb and Johnny,
A little less.
I would have used more. Well, not for theirs, but
right.
for mine. Now you can always test it and see if it's okay, the heat, and if not, you can add a little more to it.
Right.
But let's we can try it now. Yeah, we got some chips here.
I don't know. Sneaks up on you, these peppers.
It does.
We'll be back. All right. How's that sauce?
Yeah, I think it's ready.
Oh, look at that.
Just need to finish waiting for the chicken. I'm just gonna go ahead and, I guess, turn that off.
All right. We'll be back.
And we'll wait. I think they're
Oh,
ready. And
man.
now we're gonna put them in a bowl and throw them back in the oven for a few more minutes.
Cooked perfectly. Very nice.
Who needs Wingstop? My dad used to make these wings. Just bake them in the oven, no deep fryer.
Yep.
In there before I put them in there. We're gonna put our sauce on here. The smell is unbelievable. Throw a little more sauce in there. Now we're gonna put them back in the pan and just put them in the oven for a few minutes.
Oh man, it smells amazing. Yeah.
Just leave them. We're gonna cook them for another few more
All right,
minutes.
bring me those wings.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Look at those gorgeous chicken wings, man.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, they smell phenomenal.
It'd be nice too. Put those on top of some rice.
Pasta.
Everything goes good with pasta.
That sauce.
Yeah. Or I'll just get a spoon and eat it off the tray.
There you go.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with it.
No.
Good for you.
All right, we're gonna garnish it with some fresh jalapeno.
Red jalapenos. Just for a little more heat for me.
And one for good measure. Right there. Beautiful. All right.
Oh, we definitely
Let's
gonna
eat.
good today, man.
All right, let me grab one of these wings. That looks like a good one right there. Wow.
Very good.
The acidity of the tomato really works well with those chipotle peppers. It's got a smoky, earthy flavor to it. And that heat, I can't get enough. It hits the back of your palate. Not right away.
Especially with the fresh jalapenos.
Yeah. Very, very good.
And they're good.
Delicious. I really encourage you folks to try this. This is really good. My God. Anyway, don't forget to leave a comment to enter that drawing to win that coffee. Anyway, we want to thank all the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next recipe.
Eat it with a piece of that. Thanks, guys.